Hi, this is Rob with Precision Zone, and this procedure is for the 5000 series Okuma control. If your control is different, this procedure may be the same or it could be slightly different, but the basic concept is the same. Now we are going to be modifying the soft limits after changing an encoder. The soft limits are the ones that are set in the control, and the hard limits are the ones that use the limit switches and stops. Now I want to stress that hitting a hard limit is difficult to fix, so please take your time and only use the hand wheel or the jog speed at 1x to move the axis. Do not over travel the axis and hit a hard limit. An assistant is required so that one person can move the axis while another person can watch the limit switch come in contact with the stops. Please do not try this alone. The first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to need to check our rappa. But before that, let's go ahead and reset the e-stop and press reset. Now to check our rappa, we're going to hit check data. And this is our rappa right here, it's 12927. Now what we're gonna have to do is, in our soft limits, we're going to have to blow it way out. That way we can get the access to travel all the way to the hard stop. And you can see that we're limited out here, so we're already outside of one of our soft limits. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the parameter button, and we're gonna go all the way, hit F7 to system parameter, where this is the positive stroke in limit and the negative stroke in limit. And I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this to 13.9 and 11.7. So as I have this highlighted, I'm gonna hit set, and I wanna make this a higher number, so I'm gonna go 13.923.0, and then I'm gonna hit right, and it should change it. Now the positive stroke in limit, I'm going to hit the arrow key down to highlight it. Then I'm going to hit F1, which is set, and then go 11.750 and hit right. We should have no limit light illuminated because we have adjusted the soft limits outside of the hard limits. So this is where we need to be extra careful so that we do not move outside and hit that hard limit. So to go ahead and scroll the axis, we're gonna hit manual mode, and we're gonna be watching this rappa, as this is what's going to, the number we are going to use at the hard stop limit and the hard stop limit at both the positive and negative travels. So with your assistant helping you, you're gonna wanna go ahead and move this. And I know specifically for this machine that 13.096 is the limit. And so the person in the back of the machine is gonna tell you, okay, that's the soft limit, you're about to hit a hard limit. So you're gonna go ahead and record this number. Okay, so you can see in this photo that we're at the negative limits. And I wanna go ahead and point out that the stop has adjustments. So just to make sure this point is driven home, the picture that you are seeing is only applicable to this specific machine. You're going to have to find your limits on your own machine, so please don't take this as 100% reference that this is what yours should look like. This number, and then you're going to travel down, and we're going to find the negative soft limit. And I know for this machine it's 12.784, okay, 12.789. So you would, once you found that with the person telling you, hey, look, you're right there where you need to be, you go ahead and record that number. Okay, and so now you can see we're at the upper limit, and like I said, I want to say again that this is for reference only. Do not take this as this is what it's supposed to look like in your machine, because those hard stops are adjustable. Now once you have those two numbers, you're going to go ahead and back to parameter, and you should be in the system parameter where you can now adjust those soft limits. And so the negative stroke in limit, we found that it was 12784, so we'll go set 12784.0 right, and now we'll move the arrow key up to the positive, and we know that's 13096, so we'll go set 13096.0, hit right. So now that we've go ahead and modified both of these and the control has taken it, we'll go ahead and hit manual mode, and we're in actual position already. So what we've found with this specific control is the changes don't take effect right away, and they normally can take effect within 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this machine on for 5 minutes and then power it off. When we turn it back on, the changes that we made should stay there. Now I hope this video was helpful. And please, if you have any questions or if you are unsure about how to do this, please contact us at precisionzone.com. Where here we repair Okuma products, and they are test run on custom built simulators and machines just like this one. Thanks for watching.